Okay, in today's video, we're going to learn how to paint this baseboard. We don't use blue tape, so we're using a drop cloth. We have a bucket of paint. We have probably 1/4 of an inch of paint in there left over from other painting we were doing earlier. We're going to put it into the middle piece here to get it on. We're going to apply the product first. We're going to push it in vertically, and we're going to use the tip of the brush to get the top of the baseboard like so. And we're going to draw a little line down top of the baseboard and the wall. We don't want to get any on the wall. We're only doing the baseboard. See how you do that? You just draw a straight line. Take your time. We're not in a rush. Okay, that piece is done right there. There's no paint on the wall. And we're going to turn sideways. And we're going to dab the brush into the corner. And then we're going to draw a straight line on the bottom of the baseboard trim next to the floor. But we're not touching the floor. See how we're not touching the floor? Only the baseboard. See that? Now we're going to take the brush and go sideways, and we're going to smooth it and blend it in. We want to get the graining of the paintbrush. Now we're going to take our brush, turn it sideways, push it in there to make sure we get everything, and we're going to smooth over it like such. You just painted that beautiful baseboard all by yourself. I put it in the middle first to release a little bit of the paint, and then I'm going to put it back up here on the top of the baseboard, and I'm going to draw a straight line. There you go. You guys got this. You girls got this. And get a little more paint. I'm going to start in the middle, and then I'm going to go back upstairs here, and I'm going to draw a straight line. And I'm going to continue on a little bit. I'm going to start in the middle, and then I'm going to go up top side, and I'm going to get my bristles in there. I'm just going to draw a straight line with the tip of the paintbrush. It's like a pencil. There you go. Go over your work and feather everything in. And I'm going to turn it sideways, and I'm going to start higher than the baseboard where it meets, and then I'm going to bring it down gingerly, and I'm going to cut all that in. It's like a pencil. Just draw a straight line. Let the bristles do the work. Okay, there you go. Now I'm going to feather over my work and blend it in. See that? Now that trim is done right there. There's nothing on the wall. It's a perfect cut in line. Everything is blent in. There's no drips, runs, or sags. Okay, we're going to go back and continue down the baseboard. Dunk your brush a little bit. Put your brush into the middle to release some of the paint. Then we're going to go up top, and we're going to draw a straight line all the way down. Take your time. Try to be as precise as possible. Go ahead and dunk your brush. Start in the middle. Go back up top side. Continue to draw a straight line down. Dunk your brush a little more. Put it in the middle first. Let's release some of the paint from the brush, and then go top side. Draw a straight line. You guys got this. You girls got this. Pretty simple once you know how. Now feather over your work to blend it all in. Go evenly and very lightly. Towards the end of the baseboard now, we're going to do the same process. Put your brush in the middle first to release some of the paint, then go top side. There you go. Go top side, draw a straight line down there. Look how easy that is. Draw a straight line. There you go. Turn sideways. Come over here. Start high. Then go draw down low next to the wood flooring, but don't touch the wood flooring. See that? Jig your brush in there a little bit. These are 2 conjoined pieces of wood. Be careful because it'll drip in that area. So I usually go like this and then draw up. Okay. Crevice there. Fill that up with some paint. Continue down. Do not touch the floor. There you go. Now we're going to blend over our work, not to strike this piece because it'll drip. So we're going to come back over it this way. All right. You guys and girls are getting good at this for sure.